Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install MS Excel on your PC and laptop in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is open your Google Chrome and then search for Office Deployment Tool. Just click on this first link and then click on download. Once it completes the downloading, open new tab and then search for Office Customization Tool. Click on this first link and then click on 64. Then under Office Suites, just select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 volume license, and then go over to apps and then make sure to disable everything except Excel. Then click next, select your language, and then under installation, under update and upgrade, make sure you uncheck this which says uninstall any MSI versions. Just disable it, then click next, and then until you click finish. Once you do this, just click on export and then select Office Open XML formats and then click on OK. And then there you'll see both files has been downloaded. Now on the same file, just create a new folder and then name it Office, all small letters. Once you do this, just move these two files in the newly created folder and then right click on Office Setup and then click on Run as Administrator. Then click on Continue and then select your Office folder which you just created and click on OK. Once you do this, it will extract the files. Now just go back and select the whole folder and click on Cut. Once you do this, go over to your local disk C and then paste it in your C drive. Once you do this, open command prompt as administrator and then first type this command cdc, this one. Then in the second one you have to type this command. Once you do this, Excel will be installed in your PC, and after that, as you can see, Excel has been shown here. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.